This is Dave Stanton for Carbatec. Welcome to our video about the 13-inch 330mm spiral head benchtop planer thicknesser. The planer has been shipped completely assembled except for the dust chute and the height adjust hand wheel knob, this guy here. Now remove all of the loose parts from the carton, separate and check with the parts list in here. Before working on the machine, ensure the power cable is disconnected. It's around the back here. Fitting the height adjustment wheel knob. To fit the knob, rotate the height adjustment wheel around to 12 o'clock. Also, the snipe lock, pull it to lock. Fit the screw with the supplied hex key. Put the knob in. There's a little flat on it. I'll slide the Allen key in from the back. Tighten the screw up, release the lock, then you can adjust the height. Next thing, fitting the dust chute. Now I've already fitted it, but we'll just go through it. From the back of the machine, remove the screws on the cutter head cover as well as the two screws below the dust ejection. Aligning the dust chute over the holes on the cutter head assembly, replace all 5 dust chute screws. For accurate planing, the extensions must be level with the planer table. To check for level, place a straight edge across both the planer table and extensions. If adjustment is necessary, lift the table extensions, adjust the stop screws, one either side, until the extension table is level with the planer table in here. Press down on the table extensions to ensure the extension is properly seated. Tighten the lock nuts when the adjustment is complete. Located on the right-hand side of the planer, the thickness scale shows the depth of the finished workpiece. If out of adjustment, loosen the scale indicator screws and adjust the thickness indicator to the correct setting. Tighten the screws. Repeat cut. That's this guy around here. Pull the replane indicator straight out to remove. Remove the set screw down here. On the right-hand side of the planer's repeat cut cover, carefully lift and pull the repeat cut cover off. Lower the cutter head assembly until it stops against the stop screw. Run a piece of timber through the machine and check this to adjust your height. If adjustment is necessary, use a spanner to loosen the lock nut and adjust the stop screw to the correct height. Once the adjustment is made, retighten the lock nut and stop screw securely. Replace the repeat cut cover and secure using the set screw, and then replace the replane indicator.